In this video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp profile info connecting problem. So this is a step-by-step video. Make sure to watch the video to the end. First of all, after you open up now your mobile phone, the step one is make sure you have a good internet connection. So if you are using Wi-Fi or if you are using mobile data, make sure you have good internet connection in your area. The step two is go to settings of your phone. After you open the settings, scroll to down and go to apps. So open the apps section. After you open the app section, tap on this search at the top right side and then search for WhatsApp. After you open the WhatsApp like this, now open it. After you open the WhatsApp, now tap on this permissions. So in this permission section, now scroll to down. Now make sure to allow all the permissions. So like all the permissions, go ahead and allow all the permissions. Allow. Go ahead and allow all the permissions. Location, allow all. So go ahead now and allow all the permissions on the WhatsApp app. Nearby device, SMS, notifications, go ahead and allow all the permissions. So after you finish allowing all the permissions on your WhatsApp app, then you can just tap on this back arrow. So from there, then scroll to down. If you scroll to down, tap on this storage section. So from the storage section, now tap on this clear data button. So from this option now, go ahead now and clear the data of your WhatsApp. After you clear the data, and then tap on this clear cache. After you clear the cache and the data, from there you can just go back again. So after you close now the settings, now go to your Play Store on your mobile phone. Go to Play Store. After you open the Play Store like this, now go ahead and search for WhatsApp. After you search for WhatsApp like this now, so open the WhatsApp. So as you can see now my WhatsApp has updates. Make sure to update the WhatsApp. After you update the WhatsApp, from there, you can now go ahead and start logging in. From there, it will allow you to log in without the problem of like profile info is connecting. And that's it, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.